It's been fantastic. A lot of the software, different things that it does I was not aware of when I purchased it. And it's been a huge improvement for me. I think it's going to be a big help to our business. I'd recommend Aptora University for anybody that has this software or would like to learn more about it. It's great software.
It's met my expectations because I've been working on the program for a few years. So of course, you get to the point where you want to learn more about the program. And so that's what I'm here doing, is learning the more detail of the program. That's what we enjoy, is the details of Aptora. James is funny, very realistic, tells it like it is, has the background to go with the program and his life experience with it. I have the last few years since we've been using it, I have recommended to other people that are somewhat in the business for them to look at it and check it out. Look at some of the YouTube videos if you're wondering what Aptora is all about. We got a demo of Aptora. We had several people that came in and looked at it so we could make a decision as a group. There is a lot of detail with this program, but it's well worth it. I come from an accounting background, and when I was looking at a few programs, this is the one I picked because of the detail for the reports. It makes a big difference.
It's been great. If I could say one thing, it would be to owners of businesses. Definitely look into it when you get it set up to like you need it, want it for your business to grow, then it works beautifully. James has been great as an instructor. He's very knowledgeable, of course, in building the software. So I feel like it's coming from the person that's dealt with every situation. And every business is different. So everybody wants to use Aptora in a different way. For us, Title Office Manager was great because everything's in one program. Prior to this, we have a service, software, and then our accounting software, and we may have an estimating software somewhere else, and running sales off of paper. We may be incorporating 3-4 different pieces of software trying to make one business work. And Tom has definitely comprised that all into one.